Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
And turning to take a look at our radar right now, seeing showers across the region. Taking a closer look over along the coast, we look over towards Port Orford, seeing a few strikes of lightning off the coast, and we could possibly see some of those storms move on shore today, moving down over east of the Cascades and along the Cascades, seeing some snow showers as well. Make sure we're being extra careful driving through those passes today and down into northern California, seeing some lighter showers as we're heading into those afternoon hours. But a closer look at some of our road conditions, even if we're not seeing some showers today, expecting some cooler temperatures. So do make sure you are driving a little bit slow today because roads could be slippery at times. But let's take a closer look at what we're feeling like right now. 43 degrees as we're heading into Medford, 39 into Cave Junction, 45 into Brookings, moving down into northern California. Still pretty chilly, 37 into Yreka, 33 over into Doris, moving up east of the Cascades. Some temperatures just breaking into the 30s, 30 into Chiloquin, moving over into Lakeview, 31 degrees. Now for today, we can still expect to see some breezy conditions in those higher elevations, and we're not warming up by too much. Only about 36 for our high today into Klamath Falls, 45 as we're moving over into Medford. We'll be dealing with mostly cloudy sky conditions if we're not seeing any of those showers. And again, we're possibly seeing the chance for a thunderstorm as we're moving over close to the coast. But timing out what we can expect as we're moving through the day, showers will diminish as we're making our way into those afternoon, evening hours, especially as we're heading over east of the Cascades and down into northern California. We do have an exception. Another band of precipitation could be moving in along the coast, bringing chances for showers overnight to the coast and as we make our way over into our west side valleys and along the Cascades. But we'll likely be seeing some drier conditions as we do make our way over towards the east. As we're waking up tomorrow morning, the slight chance for some light precipitation. That'll be our very short dry period, because then after that we're expecting more precipitation to make its way in. Showers starting along the coast and switching over into rain as we make our way through the day. And take a look at that color right there, yellow and orange and red. That's going to be some of that heavier precipitation we're expecting. It's going to start along the coast and then push its way in, seeing evening time. That's when we'll see that rain begin to push its way further inland. By the time we're heading into Wednesday, a lot of that precipitation will even make its way over towards the east side, and we're expecting a pretty decent amount as we're making our way through the next few days. Now, one of the first things we're expecting with this system is going to be very strong wind conditions. We do have a few wind watches issued around the area. And how high are we expecting these wind gusts to be? Well, starting first, we'll see winds pick up as we're moving over close to the coast. Wind gusts could get possibly up to about 70 miles per hour, even more than that in some areas. As that front makes its way in, we'll see winds pick up as we're moving inland, even into our west side valleys, gusts getting about 40 miles per hour, into the Shasta Valley, 65 miles plus, same as we're heading over east of the Cascades. As we head into Wednesday, after that front makes its way through, winds will die down just a bit, but we'll still expect windy conditions as we're moving through our Wednesday. We'll continue to keep you updated the closer we do get the end of this week with all of this rain. Let's go ahead and take a look at our 7-day forecast. Again, very windy as we're heading over along the coast. Rain is likely as well as we're moving through. Over into northern California, rain and snow for Tuesday and Wednesday. And then as we make our way through the week, snow levels will be rising, but still do expect to see a lot of snow in those higher elevations. Same deal as we're making our way over into the Klamath Basin. Rain will be likely through this week. Also expect some breezy conditions. Over into our mountains, we'll have the next few mornings, expect some chilly mornings as well. Tomorrow, snow is going to be likely. Then we'll expect a mix as we're moving through the week. And finally, over into the Rogue Valley. The chance for rain as we move through the day tomorrow, but it will be likely as we head into those evening hours. And then rain will be likely as we're moving through the end of this week.